Hi patrons, we wish to demonstrate to you the use of a mudslinger with which you can cover the back part of your wheel, because what essentially happens is all the mud that is picked up, all the dust goes and falls on a shock absorber. It will damage it over time period. Besides that, it just makes smudges the whole motorcycle, which I personally am not a big fan of. So we will demonstrate to you how a mudslinger actually works. So we are going to start the Himalayan 450 in second gear and let the wheel rotate at stock RPM, and you can carefully see what is the splash pattern. Going to show you, we have installed the mudslinger now, as you can see, and this is a single side mounted mudslinger. It's very strong. It's unlike any other mudslinger that you get. It is mounted on a very heavy plate, and it's mounted with two very high thickness pipes, so you will not get shake at all, which you should not get because it can entangle on your wheel. Now we are going to show you with the mudslinger. Right at the mudslinger here, which would have ideally gone all the way up to your wheel arc and of course your shock absorbers. So this will surely add life to your shock absorber seal, and of course your beautiful motorcycle will not get as dirty as we head into monsoons. Thank you. Hope you like it.